Mazda just revealed the completely redesigned 2026 CX-5, and it's addressing every single complaint owners have had for years. Bigger interior space, a first-ever hybrid powertrain, and technology that finally catches up to rivals. If you've been frustrated by cramped rear seats in compact SUVs, or tired of watching competitors get hybrid options while Mazda stayed behind, these 6 updates are going to change your mind about what this SUV can deliver. Number 6. It's bigger. Mazda's engineers are stretching the wheelbase by 4.5 inches, and that's not a minor adjustment. This extension translates directly into real-world benefits that passengers will notice immediately. Anyone who's taken a long family road trip knows the frustration of cramped rear quarters, where teenagers complain nonstop, and passengers arrive stiff and uncomfortable. That's exactly what those extra 4.5 inches of wheelbase are solving, transforming the CX-5 from a tight squeeze into a genuinely comfortable 5-passenger vehicle. The second row is gaining substantial legroom, which means adults sitting in back won't be pressing their knees against the front seats anymore. The cargo area is growing by nearly 2 inches in length and over an inch in height, with a lower load floor that drops more than half an inch. Loading groceries becomes easier. Fitting luggage for a weekend trip stops being a puzzle. Even the door openings are larger now, addressing another frequent criticism. Getting kids and car seats in and out was awkward. The Honda CR-V measures 184.8 inches. The Nissan Rogue comes in at 183 inches. And the new CX-5 will land right around 184.6 inches, perfectly positioned in the middle of the segment. All that extra space comes without sacrificing the athletic proportions that make the CX-5 visually distinct. But extra space only matters if there's a powertrain worth driving, which brings us to the most significant update Mazda's ever made to this SUV. Number 5. Hybrid powertrain. For the first time in its history, the CX-5 is getting electrified power, and Mazda's taking a bold approach that sets it apart from the competition. While the CX-50 Hybrid borrows Toyota's proven system, the upcoming CX-5 Hybrid will debut Mazda's first fully in-house developed hybrid powertrain. That's significant because it signals Mazda's commitment to creating electrified vehicles that still deliver the engaging driving dynamics the brand is famous for. The foundation of this system is going to be Mazda's new Skyactiv Z engine. Officials are calling it the ideal internal combustion engine, promising higher thermal efficiency and a wider operating range than anything in the current Skyactiv G lineup. Unlike many hybrid systems that use a CVT transmission, Mazda's setup is about to feature a geared automatic, preserving the responsive, connected feel that makes current CX-5 models fun to drive. Think about filling up at the gas station every week, watching those dollars add up month after month. The current non-hybrid CX-5 manages around 24 city and 29 highway, respectable but not class-leading. The hybrid system should push those numbers into the mid to high 30s or even low 40s combined, putting it on par with efficiency leaders like the Honda CR-V Hybrid and Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. For someone driving 15,000 miles annually, that efficiency improvement translates to hundreds of dollars saved every year. Electric motor torque means the hybrid CX-5 should feel significantly quicker off the line, delivering that instant punch of acceleration that makes hybrids surprisingly fun in city driving. While that new technology is impressive, it needs to be wrapped in a design that makes people want to look at it. Number 4. New look. At the front, the new Mazda signature wing grille sits wider and lower, flanked by sharper, more angular lighting elements that give the face a chiseled, athletic appearance. This isn't a radical departure. Mazda's approach here is deliberate evolution, keeping the CX-5 instantly recognizable while modernizing every surface. The side profile reveals how those 4.5 extra inches of wheelbase change the vehicle's stance. The proportions look more balanced now, with less visual bulk pushed toward the rear. Those available 19-inch wheels sit perfectly in reshaped wheel arches that emphasize stability. One interesting design detail comes from traditional Japanese architecture. Mazda's designers drew inspiration from kigumi, the precise wood joinery technique where construction happens without screws or nails. You see this influence where body panels meet fender trim. At the rear, new angular taillights connect across the tailgate, tying the CX-5 visually to larger Mazda crossovers like the CX-70 and CX-90. Bold Mazda lettering replaces the previous badge-only approach. The overall effect is an SUV that looks simultaneously sportier and more upscale, achieving that difficult balance between athletic and refined. So the exterior is turning heads, but the real transformation happens when you open the door. Number 3. All-new interior. Slide into the driver's seat and the most obvious change hits you immediately. There's a massive touchscreen dominating the dashboard. Base models are getting a 12.9-inch unit, but upper trims are receiving Mazda's largest ever 15.6-inch display. The graphics are crisper, response times are quicker, and menu navigation follows a more intuitive logic. Mazda is integrating Google built-in functionality, which means Google Assistant for voice commands, Google Maps for navigation, and seamless integration with Android devices. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with wireless charging pads up front and USB-C ports in both rows. But here's where things get controversial. Mazda is eliminating most physical buttons from the center console, integrating climate controls and other functions directly into the touchscreen. Anyone who's tried adjusting the temperature while navigating through multiple touchscreen menus knows this creates its own frustration. You're taking your eyes off the road, hunting through digital menus, when a simple knob twist should handle it instantly. This design choice is going to divide opinions. Material quality remains a CX-5 strong point. Mazda is continuing its focus on craftsmanship over flash, using quality materials that feel substantial rather than cheap plastic, trying to look expensive. Available leather upholstery, contrast stitching, and genuine trim pieces create an atmosphere that feels more premium than the price point suggests. A beautiful interior is worthless if the vehicle drives like a couch on wheels, which is where Mazda's real expertise shows up. Number 2. Class-leading driving experience. Here's what Mazda absolutely refuses to compromise: the CX-5's reputation as the driver's choice in the compact SUV segment. Even with the longer wheelbase and added size, engineers are maintaining the balance of sharp handling and comfortable ride quality. The chassis carries over fundamentally, but suspension tuning is receiving extensive refinement to accommodate the changed dimensions. The steering system is getting recalibrated to provide appropriate feedback through the longer chassis. One of the biggest challenges in stretching a wheelbase is maintaining quick, precise steering response. Add length, and vehicles naturally feel more sluggish. Mazda's suspension geometry tweaks are specifically targeting this issue, ensuring the 2026 model turns in with the same eagerness despite the added inches. What really sets the CX-5 apart isn't just that it handles well for an SUV, it's that the ride quality stays compliant and comfortable even with sportier suspension tuning. Think about your daily commute with its expansion joints, potholes, and rough pavement. Many competitors force you to choose. Either you get the sporty suspension that transmits every imperfection straight to your spine, or you get the soft, disconnected ride. Mazda's engineers are maintaining that sweet spot in the middle. Everything we've talked about sounds fantastic, but there's one critical factor that determines if any of this matters to your wallet. Number 1. Pricing. Here's the good news. Despite all these upgrades, Mazda is keeping the CX-5 remarkably competitive on price. The current model starts just over $30,000, including destination, and industry analysts are expecting the redesigned base model to start around $32,000. That's a modest increase considering you're getting 4.5 extra inches of wheelbase, a significantly larger interior, that massive 15.6-inch touchscreen, and a complete redesign. When you look at what $32,000 gets you in this segment, the value proposition becomes clear. The Honda CR-V starts around $32,000 but doesn't offer the same level of driving engagement or premium interior materials. The Toyota RAV4 sits in a similar price range but lacks the CX-5's refined road manners and upscale cabin feel. For roughly the same money, you're getting an SUV that drives better, feels more premium, and now finally has the space that was missing before. The hybrid variant is where the value story gets even more interesting. Yes, it's about $3,000 more than the Honda CR-V Hybrid and Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. But remember, this is Mazda's first fully in-house developed hybrid system, paired with that new Skyactiv Z engine and a traditional geared automatic, not a droning CVT. You're paying slightly more for a hybrid that actually feels engaging to drive, not just efficient. And when you factor in the fuel savings over 5 years of ownership, that price premium starts to look a lot more reasonable. Upper trim levels remain competitive as well. Even fully loaded models staying under $5,000 means you're getting near luxury refinement, athletic handling, and now segment competitive space, all without crossing into true luxury SUV pricing territory. The CX-5 has always delivered a premium experience at a mainstream price, and the 2026 model is continuing that tradition while finally addressing the space constraints that held the previous generation back. The 2026 Mazda CX-5 represents a significant leap forward, solving the cramped interior problem with 4.5 extra inches of wheelbase, introducing Mazda's first in-house hybrid system that promises efficiency without sacrificing driving enjoyment, and preserving the athletic handling that makes this SUV different from every mainstream competitor. But rivals are shaping up for the next year as well. If you're leaning toward Korean competition, make sure to check out our video about the 2026 Hyundai Tucson. It's getting better than ever, with improved appearance, refined powertrain, and constant tech updates.